Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care.
The beautiful Shihori Kotoi. Code NSFS055. Released on January 11, 2022. And it has 112 minutes watch time. The story's about married woman and the delivery guy. Every morning, the guy delivers the girl laundry at her house. Apparently, the girl was not in good terms with the delivery guy. So, unfortunately, when the girl found out that her husband was going to a nightclub, the girl got mad. So, afterwards, the couple was not in good terms with each other and they are on the edge of getting a divorce. Apparently, when the delivery guy found out that the couple was not in a good terms with each other, the delivery guy went inside the girl house. However, while the guy was inside the girl house, things went out of control. They spent quality time together and the wonderful story began.
Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.